Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Google Docs. Here is a letter. I want to open this one to show you the process. So here you can see name option. I want to add a signature above this word. So for that, go to insert and then click on drawing and then click to new. Here you can see multiple option. Select line and then scribble. Here is a dashboard to add a signature. I want to add a signature just like this one, and it's done. Now click to save and close. Here you can see the signature is looking so good. So that's it. You can add signature in Google Docs using this method. I hope this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like and do subscribe.